Hello dear students, once again you welcome on my YouTube channel English Tycoon. Dear students, in today's video I am going to give you detailed information of the chapter The Tiger King, and which is your second chapter of your Vegeta book of class 12 English. I am going to give you all the update, all the significant information of this chapter in within next 30 minutes. You will be able to understand this chapter and all the character as well. So let's start and discuss the chapter. So dear students, as you know that this chapter Tiger King is a quite big chapter which is given in your syllabus, and it is Vegeta's second chapter. Before we start discussing about the two things, the two very important thing of the chapter, that is one is the character and second is the detailed summary of the chapter. I would like to tell you little about the this chapter has been written by the writer to highlight one very important issue, or you can say point of the time she lived. What was the issue? The issue was that at that time the king, it has been found the person with the power, a person who is who was having power and who are having money. They were just used to show off it, and they were highly proud of that things, and due to these two things, two essential thing, one is the money and second is the power, they used to misuse it also. And the story is just satire on the such type of behavior of such person at the time of the writer, and she has just tried to highlight that issue through this chapter. See the chapter Tiger King I am going to tell you, but before I start summary, I would like to introduce you with the character of the chapter, because if you know about the character you can understand the chapter quite clear. See, the first character, the most important character of the chapter is the Tiger King himself. He is the hero, you can say, of this chapter, and he is the king of Pratibandhapuram. Second character is astrologer. Astrologer is one who predict, one who tell about anybody future happening, or tell about the horoscope of any person or a child. That person is called astrologer. What is the role played by astrologer will be telling, I will tell you just later. Next character is Diwan. Diwan is the person who helps the Tiger King, the king of Pratibandhapuram, in doing his activity and taking decision. Fourth character, real tiger. I have written real tiger means it is an animal, living animal, which has been found in the forest. See, in this story you will see three tigers. One is the Tiger King, whose name is Tiger King. He is a human being and the king of the Pratibandhapuram. Second is the real tiger who has been found in the forest at that time also, even today also. And third is wooden tiger, which is non-living. So remember, in this story you will come to, when you read the chapter with the extract of the chapter one by one, you will find three stories. You will find three tigers, and one is human being whose name is tiger, second is the real tiger, and third is wooden tiger. And real tiger is in the story also plays significant role, because the whole story is just knitted around the real tiger. You will see in the story the Tiger King, a human being whose name is Tiger King, is running behind a living tiger who has been found in the forest. Now there is a question that why he was running, or why he was seeking tiger, or why he was killing tiger. That is the question which answer you will get when I'll explain you the summary. Next is character is British officer. In the middle of the story, in one passage, there is introduction of a British officer who came for photography with a tiger in the Pratibandhapuram. What happened after that, I will tell you in the summary only. And last one, as I told you before, that wooden tiger which had been discussed in the story. The wooden tiger also, though it is wooden, it is not living, but it played, or it did the work more than a living tiger. The work which had not been done by a living tiger in the story, that had been done by a wooden tiger. You will surprise at the end of the story. So these are the character. I hope it is clear to you. So let's start and move toward the summary of the chapter Tiger King. See, I have here two photographs so that the image of tiger and Tiger King both should be created in your mind, and it will help you to understand the chapter quite better. See the chapter and see one more. I am just having this photograph of wooden tiger. Now you can understand the wooden tiger, how it was. Now you can imagine it. It is a wooden tiger, and the previous one, this one is a real tiger which has been found in forest, and this is the Tiger King, a human being. So three tiger I told you will find. One is animal, second is a Tiger King whose name is Tiger actually, and he is the king of Pratibandhapuram, and third is wooden tiger. Now let's move ahead towards the story. See, the story start in the first paragraph. I have taken all the extract of your book, so I will be explaining, you just see it also. It may that somewhere my explanation will not match with the extract, but no problem, I'll go my side. You just see the text and listen the explanation carefully. You will get everything. Okay. See, the story start with the introduction. The writer tells us about a king of Pratibandhapuram who had been given a different name on account of his bravery, on account of his boldness and courage, and the way he deals with the problem and other condition in his state Pratibandhapuram. On account of that, the people used to call him by a different name. Some of them are given here. Jamidar General, he was called Khiledar Major, he was called Sata Vaghera Shamharia Maharaja Dhiraj, and Sir Jilani Jungjung Bahadur, and MAD ACTC or CRCK. So many names he had been given, but overall these he was having so many names, and it was given by the people, those who loves him, those who likes him. But one name which was very famous, or by which he was very famous, that was Tiger King. He was very famous by the name of Tiger King. Why he has been given? As a tiger is a symbol of boldness and courageous. So these quality was in the king of Pratibandhapuram. So people started calling him Tiger King. This is the reason why he had been given the title Tiger King. Now, not only now, after this, writer tells us that the story of this Tiger King to us, to the reader. What he told that when this Tiger King was born in Pratibandhapuram, and when he was only of 10 days, it is a common thing in our family also. Even today also we do. When a baby take birth in our family, we after a few days we call Panditji or any holy person in our house, and he make the horoscope. In Hindi it is called Kundali, that are made, and all other things, and even name are also decided by according to the astro and Zoetic means Rasi of the child. So same thing happened at that time also. The king of Pratibandhapuram called the astrologer, a very famous astrologer who used to come in the palace of the king of Pratibandhapuram. The king called to tell about future and other things of the newly born baby who was just at 10 days. The astrologer came, and what he did, astrologer predicted, told to the family of king that your child would be a very bold and very courageous person. He will be a warrior of the warrior, fighter of the fighter. He will have all the great and grand quality, but and he will be very famous. But one thing that he told after this point was that he told that he might have sudden death, or he would be killed in an accident or anyhow. When the astrologer told this point to the family member of the king and king as well, everybody was shocked at the time when they heard this word of astrologer. It is a common thing. If any person have a new baby and it has been predicted like that, he will definitely get surprised, shocked and serious and worried also. So the king got sad, become worried, and he requested to the astrologer to tell the manner how my child might be killed or would be killed. Uh, they requested that could you tell the way. Then the astrologer denied. He said that I couldn't. But the moment astrologer denied to tell the manner of the death which the newly baby might receive in her future, in his future, then astrologer tried to deny. At the same time, the baby of 10 days spoke out. The baby of 10 days spoke out in a very loud voice and asked a very logical question which surprised everyone, because it is a magic. Because you know that a baby of 10 days, even a baby of 1.5 year could not able to speak proper way. But there in the story, what you see, that the baby of 10 days, who later afterwards become Tiger King, started speaking, and he asked a very logical question to the astrologer that what if you are telling that I will die in future, then what type of prediction you are doing? Everybody knows that everybody have to die. The person who take birth will definitely die. Then what is the prediction? If you can tell me the way I would be killed, or I could be killed, then that could be a prediction. It was a challenge for the astrologer, and every word, every statement of the newly born 10-day baby shocked the astrologer. And then he told to the family member as well as the 10 days baby that the baby has born, the son of the king of Pratibandhapuram was born in the zodiac of bull and tiger, so it might be, or it could be killed by a tiger. And after that, you know what happened? After that, the moment this word was spoken by the astrologer, everybody in the family was shocked and serious. But one person, everybody was shocked, serious and horrified, but one person was there, one thing that was surprising for everybody, that a baby of 10 days was not a little bit surprised by this prediction. Even he told to the astrologer, if my death going to be happen by, or going to be caused by the tiger, then let all the tiger be aware, because I be aware means let them be aware, be alert, because I am going to kill them all. And when the 10 days baby spoke out such a word, everybody was shocked and surprised. And after that, the astrologer moved away from there, and time passed away, and slowly 20 years passed away. And this small baby of 10 days turned into the Tiger King, and he's become Tiger King. After he's become the Tiger King of Pratibandhapuram, which was before governed by his father. Now this Tiger King become king of Pratibandhapuram and governed his state. Though the king, with the passage of the time, the Tiger King forget the prediction of the astrologer, but his family member remembered the prediction which was done by the astrologer. So They were highly worried, and not only family member, the other member of the king of his state, they remember this thing, and they were highly worried about this thing, because 20 years had passed and nothing had happened to the king. So it could happen any moment. So everybody was worried and surprised and shocked about this thing. When they were talking about this point of the prediction of the tiger, of the astrologer about the Tiger King, this issue, this their discussion reached to the ear of the Tiger King, and then Tiger King had made a plan that I would. He told to Diwan that now leave all other matter of state aside. Now I have decided that I would kill. Firstly, I will kill all the tiger, and then I will do any other work. He ordered Diwan to make a proclamation in the state that nobody is supposed to throw even a single stone at the tiger, any tiger. And if anybody had been found throwing a single stone at a tiger, his whole property will be seized by the king order. And same proclamation had been made, and after that the king, Tiger King, moved to the forest and started hunting. And when he killed his first tiger, then he called the astrologer who had done the prediction about him, to show him that, see, I have killed a tiger, nothing had happened to me. And the astrologer came there and he said, my lord, you can kill one, you can kill 99 also, but you should be alert, you should be aware, you should be very, very alert from the last one, from the 101, because it in anyone, or it may kill you. Because the astrologer was sure about his prediction, he was sure that his prediction was never going to be wrong. And when he told this point, astrologer told this point to the king again, that 101 may kill you. The Tiger King said, if I kill 101 also, means if I kill 1 to 100 all tiger, then he told one a very important thing. Then he told that if you kill all the tigers, see, this is the line which is spoken by the astrologer. At the same time, the astrologer replied, when Tiger King said, I will kill all the tiger, then 101 also, then the astrologer replied that he would tear all his books of astrology and set them on fire. He said that I will burn my book of astrology and tear and burn them. And he also continued, he continued that he shall cut off his hair and could change his profession from an astrology to an insurance agent, and would never remain a good astrologer any longer. He said that if my prediction going to be wrong, then I will get my hair removed. I would become bald, and after that I will tear the astrology book and burn it, and I will leave this profession and become an insurance agent. This is the line spoken by the astrologer. And after that, astrologer moved away, but these word of astrologer became a challenge for the king, and king started hunting again. And he started hunting again, and his full focus was hunting. Every day he used to hunt the tiger, and slowly the number of tigers started decreasing in Pratibandhapuram. While this activity of Tiger King was going on, hunting was going on, at the same time a British officer came in Pratibandhapuram with a request to Tiger King for hunting a tiger and taking a photograph with a dead tiger, having gun in hand. But what happened? The Tiger King, he was himself involved in killing the tiger, and he had to kill 100 tiger. So he refused the request of the British officer. He denied him. He told him that you can do hunting of mosquito, you can do hunting of rat, but you can't do hunting of a tiger, because it is banned in Patibandhapuram. And after that, that officer went back, and then a letter arrived. A few days after, a letter arrived from the another officer of that British officer who came there in Patibandhapuram for hunting. In letter, in an envelope, it was written that the Tiger King should allow that British officer for taking a photograph with a killed tiger, and the tiger could be killed by the Tiger King himself. Means it means that the British officer did not want to kill. He was just fond of taking photograph with a dead tiger, having a gun in the hand. But Tiger King had denied this request also. He said no, it is not possible. But after denying this, the British officer, he was worried that the British officer might attack on his kingdom, on his state Pratibandhapuram, and capture it. So he called Diwan and requested him that he called Diwan and told the issue which had happened. Then Diwan had given him a suggestion that they should give something to the British officer wife for settling this, for solving this issue. And then what happened, the king had ordered for 50 ring, and from Kolkata, and it was a British factory only where diamond ring were being produced. The as sample. So from the Kolkata, 50 ring had been sent, diamond ring had been sent to the Tiger King, and all that ring had been sent to the wife of that officer who has been refused to do hunting in Pratibandhapuram. And after that, what happened? The Tiger King thought that one or two or three ring might she take, and the matter will be dispatched, solved. But actually what happened, the officer lady has taken all 50 diamond ring, and this problem was solved. But for solving this problem, Tiger King had to pay 3 lakhs rupees to the British factory as a price of that 50 ring. And see, it is written here, the Maharaja was happy that he had saved his kingdom for a sum of 3 lakhs rupees. How much he had to pay? The Tiger King had to pay 3 lakhs rupees for solving this issue, because he thought that British officer attack on his kingdom and they might capture or seize it. And when this problem was resolved, once again the Tiger King was involved in hunting. He started hunting, and in this way he reached to number 70. He killed 70 tiger in the period of 10 years. Within 10 years he was able to kill 70 tigers. So it took him 10 years to kill 70 tiger. And after that, what happened? Another problem arose, that number of tiger reduced. Even there were not a single tiger in Patibandhapuram to be that Tiger King could kill. So now he made another plan. He called Diwan and told that I want to get married. When he told Diwan this thing, the funny scene happened in the story. Diwan said, I could not marry with you, sir, because I had already 2 wives, and how could I? Then the king said that I couldn't want to marry. Who could want to marry with you? I want to marry with a girl. You should go and in a nearby state, in a royal family in which state tiger are there. You should go there and connect with them and try to get my marriage settled with that girl. And the Diwan did the same thing, and finally Tiger King got married with a girl from royal family nearby state. And after that he used to go, whenever he used to go his father-in-law house, he used to kill 5 to 6 tiger, and in this way he completed the number of 99. In this way he completed the number of 99. Now one tiger, and when he killed 29 tiger there in the state of his father-in-law, then what happened? The number of tiger, even tiger, he also killed all the tiger in his wife state also, and there was not a single tiger. So now the problem arise for one tiger. He had completed a number of 99 tiger, but there is one still needed to complete the number of 100, but there was neither tiger in Patibandhapuram, not in his wife state. So king was highly worried. He ordered his soldiers to search the tiger in the kingdom of Patibandhapuram and in the around that area, and he even made a proclamation to the nearby villagers, that if anybody will find out tiger in nearby area or in any forest, that person or that village, not person, that whole village will be free of tax, need not to pay tax next 2 year. So all the villagers, hunters, nearby expert hunter, all they were involved in hunting. And king also removed a few of his officers. They searched a few days, but they could not able to get. So the king was very angry, and he dismissed some of his officers. Now it is Diwan who was with him, and now it is number of Diwan, because Tiger King was coming in the forest, but he was not getting tiger for hunting. So he was last tiger for hunting. So he was highly worried. He strictly ordered Diwan that he must find a tiger soon, otherwise he would be fired. Means he would be dismissed from his job. And then what happened? Then the Diwan was very upset, and when he returned back to his home at night time, he saw that a few persons were putting a tiger in Diwan house. And at night time, when there were nobody, the Diwan and his wife took that tiger in a vehicle, in a car, and brought that tiger. Sorry, one more thing. Yes, I told you about tax. No, see, it is given here. All tax for 3 years. The tax will be set out to hunt their tiger. Yes, and so one point I told, it was mistake there, that it was tax will be free for 3 years, not for 2 years. Okay. And now come back. So Diwan was highly worried, and he took help of his wife, and the tiger which was kept in his house by some people, that tiger secretly brought by Diwan and his wife to that place where Tiger King was hunting in the forest. And then Tiger King was informed that a tiger had been found. And after that, what happened? The Tiger King arrived. He saw the tiger, and he saw the tiger, and he took his aim. And see, this is the 101 tiger, and this is the tiger which has bought by the Diwan, and he is the Tiger King. And he came, and when he saw the tiger, he just took his aim and fired a bullet. The moment the bullet fired, the tiger fell down. And after that, Tiger King thought that the tiger is dead, and he moved back, ordering his person to bring this dead tiger to the palace. Why? Because every tiger, the tiger he had killed, all tiger skin he used to be pasted on his palace wall. So this tiger, he ordered to the to the soldiers to bring the tiger into the palace, to the state. And after that, he went back. And when he went back, the hunter who were there with him, helping in hunting, they came close to see the tiger, whether it is dead or not. What they find, but the thing they found was very surprising. They found that the tiger, the moment they gazed at the tiger opened its one eye and gazed towards them. They were surprised. Now they have two options: either they could tell this things to the Tiger King. If they will tell this thing to the Tiger King, Tiger King could kill them. So they could not go for this option, they go for second option. The second option is that one of the hunter took aim and he just fired at this tiger, and tiger got died. And they could not tell this things to the Tiger King also. They keep it very secretly, and then they took this tiger to the state. And then the Tiger King was happy that he has completed the number of 100. Now there is no danger to his life, because as it has been predicted by the astrologer. He was happy and got involved in doing his other activities. But what? But did this 101 was killed by Tiger King? No, it was not. It was killed by the hunter. Now see, after this, what twist is going to come in the story. And after this, what happened? Birthday. Now this Tiger King is also having a son, and it is a third birthday. Means this baby was 3 years, and for his son, he wanted to on his birthday he wanted to give some gift, a special gift to his son. So he went in the market to the shopping mall and searched for a special gift to give his child, but he could not get any. When he was returning back, he saw in a showroom there was a wooden tiger. There was a wooden tiger, which I have shown in the story. Wait, I am showing you. It is here. I am having the picture. Yes, this wooden tiger. He planned to give this wooden tiger to his child. And he asked to the shopkeeper how much it is. The price of this tiger was 2 annas. It is here, the cost only 2 anna and a quarter. But the shopkeeper was very smart, very happy. So what he did, he increased the price. He told to the king that it is of 300 rupees, because he has seen the person who is purchasing the thing is a king. Definitely he utilized the time, utilized the opportunity, and he increased the price suddenly, 300 rupees. And the king paid 300 rupees and took this wooden tiger to the home. And at home, Tiger King and his son played with this tiger so much. And while playing, and one more thing, see, this tiger has been made by a inexperienced carpenter. Carpenter used to work with the all wooden work they used to do. So this wooden tiger had been made by a such carpenter who was not expert in making. Okay, so he had not cleaned the surface of this wooden tiger very proper way, and that's why there were a few surface was very rough. The surface of this wooden tiger was very rough. And so when the Tiger King was playing with his child, one of wooden stick which was projected in the Tiger King, you can see this picture, projected in that wooden tiger, penetrated. It is called quills in the sense you can take it as a pin. See, I am having another picture also. See, I have written here the injury in the right hand finger of the Tiger King caused by the tiny silver of wooden which was stood up like a quills in the sense you can take pin on the wooden tiger that appears in the king finger. It happened with us also sometimes. If you are playing with a stick, or you are playing with bat or something like that, stick, and it sometimes a small part just penetrate in our finger, and it give pain also. So same thing happened with the Tiger King, and this wooden stick penetrated in the right finger of the Tiger King, and after that this small injury turned into ulcer, and Tiger King is having extreme problem. He had fallen ill, and this normal injury turned into ulcer, and now the condition got worse. There was infection in his hand, and now the condition got so worse that doctor has been called for treatment of it. The doctor had been called for the treatment for that, and they did the operation. The doctor did the operation, and the doctor did the operation, and finally they announced that the operation successful, but the king is no more, means king is dead. And in this way, the Tiger King, who had killed 99 tiger, real tiger, living tiger, got a very funny and humorous death by a wooden tiger, as it had been predicted in the beginning of the story, or in the beginning of his life also, when he was 10 days only. It had been predicted by astrologer that you might be killed by a tiger. So he thought that it would be a living tiger, or actually it was a tiger. But this prediction was not done by the astrologer, that it would be wooden or living or non-living, and same thing happened. The astrologer prediction was 100% wrong, though it was a wooden non-living tiger by which he had got killed. So I hope, dear students, you got this summary completely, you got the character completely, and I hope if that your doubts, your confusion, if you had any, that is clear now, and the summary of the chapter is clear to you. See, if your summary is clear, then you will not have any problem in writing answer. Remember, if your summary is clear, you will not have any problem in writing answer, because you know the character, you know the complete summary, and if you know the summary, you can write short answer, long answer, everything. And remember, from this chapter you are going to get in board exam 100%, you are going to get long question from this chapter. So please prepare this chapter very carefully, and please do share this video with someone who need it for learning. And this is the first part of the video, and second part I will be uploading all the questions related to this chapter. So be ready, keep studying, keep watching, keep sharing, and like the video, and see you in my next video. Good luck, goodbye.
अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन, ताकि आपको मेरे सारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले।